In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Adobe Acrobat language. If you want Adobe Acrobat to display in a different language, the good news is that the process is fairly simple and only takes a few moments once you know where to look. We'll be doing this through your Adobe account settings, so make sure you're already signed in before you begin. Start by going to your Adobe Acrobat homepage. This is the main landing page where you can access your recent files, tools, and account options. Once the page is loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This opens the account menu where Adobe keeps several personal and subscription settings. From that menu, click on Manage Account. This will take you away from the Acrobat home area and into your Adobe account settings page. If the page takes a moment to load, that's completely normal since it's opening your account dashboard. Once you're on the account page, click on Edit Profile. This is where Adobe stores your personal preferences, including language settings. After opening your profile, scroll all the way down toward the bottom of the page. Take your time here because the language option is low on the screen and can be easy to miss if you scroll too quickly. When you reach the language section, find First Language and click Change next to it. This opens the language editing option for your Adobe account. From there, click on the Selected drop-down to view the list of available languages. You should see multiple language options listed in the menu. Now choose your new language from the drop-down list. Make sure you select the exact language you want Adobe Acrobat to use, since this setting affects how your Adobe experience appears across your account. After selecting the new language, click Save to confirm the change. Once saved, your account preference will be updated. In some cases, you may need to refresh the page, sign out and sign back in, or reopen Adobe Acrobat before the new language appears everywhere. That's a normal part of applying account level settings. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Adobe Acrobat language through your Adobe account profile. If you're following along, just move slowly through each screen and double check that the new language is saved before leaving the page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.